Hello, hey guys, welcome to my channel Best. And today I'm going to show you that how can you make your student account in GTU website. So you have to open a GTU website. Just write gtu.ac.in. Alright, so open a web address, write gtu.ac.in, and it will take you to this website. Now over here, go to student section and click on student portal, and now you can see that it is taking you to student login account. Over here, if you are registering for first time, and that what we are going to do, so click on this create an account and then provide your enrollment number and then click on submit, and then it will give you all this information, and it says that I will receive a password on this email. Let's say if this email is not with you, then what you have to do, you have to try to contact the GTU to change your email ID. Right, so and then you can put all the details of yours, such as mobile number, Aadhaar number, and then name as per your Aadhaar, gender, date of birth, and it's academic bank of credit user manual. If you don't have it, it's fine, generally you don't need to put it over here, and then click on I agree and click on register. So in this way you can register for your student account in GTU by using GTU website. So that's all for this video. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is helpful, hit the like button. And one more thing, as it is I don't have the access to this uh, email, so I can't show you the registration over here. But if you have the access to this email, then you can proceed. Otherwise you have to contact GTU. To contact GTU, what you have to do, click on this contact us, go to GTU website, and then try to contact via email to registrar to change either the email, or they can provide you the password, that if you have or if you have not. So that's all for the video. Thank you.